time for another episode of Muscle and Fitness Raw. I'm your host, Dr. Jim Stoppani. Having a well-developed and strong midsection not only makes the rest of your physique look all the more impressive, but it's important for the functional strength needed for most sports and daily activities. When you consider the anatomy of the midsection, there's a lot of muscles involved. So let's take a closer look. The muscles that make up the midsection consist of four major muscle groups. There's the rectus abdominis, which are the washboard muscles that run down the front of the stomach and flex the spine forward, such as during crunches or hanging leg raises. Then there's also the external oblique muscles, which run at about a 45-degree angle from your sides to the rectus abdominis. These angled muscles help the rectus abdominis to flex the spine forward, and they also work with the deeper internal oblique muscles to cause twisting movements, such as during twisting crunches, as well as flexing the spine sideways, such as during side bends. Although they cannot be seen on the surface, the internal oblique muscles run at an opposite angle to the external obliques. Then there's the cummerbund-shaped muscle known as the transverse abdominis, which runs deep across the midsection and works to pull the stomach in and support the spine. It is one of the key muscles that are considered the core muscles. To work all of these muscles, it could take you a very long time doing exercises like crunches, side bends, twists, and core exercises like the plank. However, a great exercise that combines flexing the spine and twisting it, as well as strengthening the core and hitting all four of the midsection muscles discussed, is an exercise that I call the bell tower crunch. I named it this because the exercise mimics ringing a bell in a bell tower. To do the bell tower crunch, attach a rope handle to a high cable pulley and pull the rope through so that it all hangs straight down from the pulley attachment as shown here. Grab the rope with your left hand above your right hand and stand in a staggered stance with your right leg in front of your left. Using your abs and obliques, pull the rope down in front of you and towards your right knee. Exhale forcefully and contract your abs as tight as possible, then slowly return to the start position and repeat for reps. When you've completed all reps on the right side, switch your foot and hand position and perform in a similar manner on the left side. Because you do this ab exercise while standing up, it's a great exercise for any athlete to do. After all, most athletes compete in a standing position, so training your midsection and core muscles while standing is one of the best ways to develop true functional strength that can help you when you're competing. And as always, be sure to look for more great tips like this and other episodes of Muscle and Fitness Raw at muscleandfitness.com.